Hi everyone, this is the continuation of my previous video wherein I explained how to find out the visible and hidden edges by taking pentagonal pyramid as an example. In this video, I'll explain the projection of a hexagonal pyramid when it is resting on one of its corners on HP with its axis inclined 40° to HP and axis appears to be inclined 55° to VP. So I have drawn the initial projection. So I place the pyramid on HP in the corner position so that when I tilt, the corner will rest on HP. So I have drawn the top view and front view. In the top view, when you look from here, all the slant edges will be directly visible. So we draw the slant edges by visible lines. Now, after tilting the axis by 40° and keeping the pyramid on a corner of its base, you will get this position. So here I have drawn the vertical projection lines and horizontal projection lines and located all the points. Projection from A and projection from A. Similarly, B, C, D, E, F and O and O1. After getting these points, you can join the outline by visible edges. As I explained in the previous video, you can join all the outline edges by visible line. So you can take visible line, join the outline points without leaving any point outside. You can join these outline edges. Now, when you look from the top, the base is not visible. The bottom part of the pyramid is not visible. So base is hidden. So you have to join these two edges by hidden lines. So you can take hidden line and join this by hidden line. Now all the base edges are completed. Even though the base is hidden, four edges which are coming as a part of outline are visible. These four edges AB, BC, EF and AF, they are visible. Only two edges which are left out should be completed by hidden lines because base is hidden. Now you can join this DO by hidden lines because the point D is hidden. Any line connecting from an interior point which is hidden to the outline should be hidden. So you can join this by hidden line. So you see this point which is totally inside the outline. So all the lines connecting to the outline should be hidden. Now you have to think of the other slant edges. We have shown only three slant edges, CO, EO and DO. Three more slant edges we have, that is AO, BO and FO. So all these are visible because from inside if slant edges are hidden, from outline part of the base the slant edges should be visible. So you can take this visible line from A to O. This is visible. Now AO is visible, DO is hidden. So DO has come on top of DO. So you cannot see that hidden edge. So hidden edge is coming below this AO. So you are seeing the visible edge, but DO is hidden and there is no connection from A to D. D to O which is there, it is hidden edge. We cannot make it hidden here because AO is coming on top of that. So you need not show this DO, hidden edge. Now you can show BO and FO, all are visible. So we have completed the top view. Next you have to draw the front view. Since the axis appears to be inclined 55°, you need to further tilt this top view at an angle of 55°. Axis appears to be inclined 55°. So it is not the true inclination, it's a apparent inclination is given. So I kept it on that line. Now you have to project the front view. So to project the front view, I have drawn all the projection lines from A, projection of A, B, projection of B, and projection of C. Okay, like this, all points are projected and marked here. Now you can connect the outline. You have to connect the outline by visible line. So you can connect the outline by visible line. So O to F you cannot connect because A will fall outside. So you have to connect the outline without leaving any points outside. So OA you should connect, and then AF, FE, I'm joining the outline, DC, then O. So outline is visible. So you can always draw with the visible lines. Then you are looking from here. This is a front view. So you are looking from here. Now you can see that axis position. Up axis is away from the observer and base end of the axis is nearer to the observer. I am only seeing the relative position of O and O1. O is apex, O1 is a base end of the axis. O1 is nearer, or in this case apex is away. So base is going to be visible. So base is nearer to the observer. So base is going to be visible. So you can complete this base by visible edges. So complete the base by visible edges. AB and BC. Complete that by visible edges. So base is completely visible since base is nearer to the observer. And now since B is visible, B is a point inside and it is visible, all lines connecting from that point to the outline should be visible. So you can also make BO visible. Now only one slant edge is there from inside. We have completed 3 slant edges now. AO and CO has come as part of outline. BO is visible because B is visible. Now these three more slant edges, FO, EO and DO. Since the slant edge which is starting from inside is visible, the rest of the slant edge should be hidden. So you can make hidden line, select hidden line and then connect it. EO is also hidden. Then you can also join this. This is hidden. You have to draw the axis. So you take the chain line and then from O1 dash you can connect to the O. So that completes the projection. I hope you understood the projection.